Question number 8. You can see. Find the indicated term in each of the following sequence whose nth terms are given. First part, an is given 4n minus 3. They are asking a17 and a24. So you can see a17. So 4 into 17 minus 3. You can write 4 7s are 28. 2, 4 ones are 4 plus 2. 68 minus 3, that is 65. A17 is what? 65. Second term is what? A24 they are asking. So 4 into 24 minus 3. 4 4 is 16. So we are 96 minus 3. We get 93. So A17 is 65 and A24 is 93. Now second part you can see. An is equal to minus 1 power n minus 1 n cube. You have to find a9. You have to find a9. So a9 will be what? Minus 1 power 9 minus 1 9 cube minus 1 power 8. 9 cube is what? 729 minus 1 power 8. Negative numbers power 8. It will be what? Positive only. So 1 into 729. So answer is 729. Ninth term is 729. Now question number 9. Question number 9. Find the 18th and 25th term. 18th and 25th term of the sequence defined by, it's given Tn is equal to n into n plus 2. N into n plus 2. If n is even. If n is even number, you have to use this. N into n plus 2. And if n is even natural number. N is even natural number, and you have to use 4n upon n square plus 1 if n is odd natural number. Is it clear? A18. 18 is what? Even natural number, so I can write 18 into 18 plus 2. So 18 into 20, that is 360. A18 will be what? 360. Now A25. It is odd natural number, so I will use this formula. So 4 into 25 upon 25 square plus 1. 4 into 25, that is 100 upon 25 square is 625 plus 1, 626. 100 upon 626. You can cut this. 250 is 100. 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. So 50 upon 313. Now question number 10. Question number 10th. Find the first 5 terms of each of the following sequences and obtain the corresponding series. You have to find the 5 terms of the following sequences and write the series. First it's given A1 is given 1 and AN is equal to AN minus 1 plus 2 when n is greater than equal to 2. A1 you know. So A1 is what? 1. A2 will be what? A2 minus 1 plus 2. A2 minus 1 is A1 plus 2. A1 is what? 1 plus 2, that is 3. 1, 3. Now A3 you can find. A3 will be what? A3 minus 1 means A2 plus 2. A2 is what? 3 plus 2, that is 5. Same A4 you can find. A4 will be what? A4. So A4 minus 1. So A3 plus 2. And A3 you know, that is what? 5. 5 plus 2 is what? 7. A5 will be what? A5 minus 1. So A4 plus 2. A4 is what? 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. So you know series will be what? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Is it clear? 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9, and you have to write in series. First we wrote sequence, now we'll write series. So add all. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus, and like this you will write. Obtain the corresponding series. Now next part, second part. Question number 10, second part. Second part. A1 is equal to 3. An is equal to 3a n minus 1 plus 2 for all n is greater than 1. So a1 is 3. So a2 will be what? 3a 2 minus 1 means 1 plus 2. 3 a1 is what? 3. So 3 3 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. 3 into 3 plus 2. So 3 3 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. A3 will be what? 3 a 3 minus 1. So a2 plus 2. So 3 a2 is what? 11. 3 into 11 plus 2. 33 plus 2, that is 35. Same we can write a4 also. So 3 a4. So 3a 4 minus 1. So 3a3 plus 2. So 3 into a3 is what? 35 plus 2. 3 5 is 50. 3 9 10. 105 plus 2, that is 107. First term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term also I have to write. A5 will be what? 3a 5 minus 1 means 4 plus 2. So 3 into a4, you know, that is 107 plus 2. 3 into 107, 3 7 is 21, 320 plus 2. So it will be 323. So sequences 3, 11, 35, 107, 3 to 3. And series you have like 3 plus 11 plus 35 plus 107 plus 3 to 3 plus, and so on like this it will go on. 3 plus 11 plus 35 plus 107 plus 3. Right. Now third part, question number 10, third part. Question number 10, third part. It's given a1 is equal to a2 is equal to 2. Means a1 is also 2, a2 is also 2. an is equal to an minus 1 minus 1 for n is greater than 2. For n is greater than 2. So you can see a1 is 2, a2 is 2, a3 will be what? You can use for n greater than 2. So 3 is greater than 2. So I can use this formula. A3 minus 1 minus 1. So A2 minus 1. A2 you know that is 2. 2 minus 1, that is 1. Same A4 you can find. A4 will be what? A4 minus 1. So minus 1. So A3 minus 1. And A3 you know that is what? 1. So 1 minus 1. 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Same A5 you can write. A5 minus 1 minus 1. So A4 minus 1. A4 is what? 0. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So sequence will be what? 2, 2, 1, 0, minus 1. 2, 2, 1, 0, minus 1. And series you can write 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus minus 1 plus and so on. Like this it will go. Question number 10th is over. Now question number 11th. Question number 11th you can see Sn is given, sum of n terms. Sn is equal to what? 2n square plus 3. 2n square plus 3n for all n belongs to natural numbers. Find the first 4 terms. You have to find the first 4 terms, find its 20th term also. You have to find first 4 terms, means A1, A2, A3 and A4. You want all that 4 terms and find its 20th term, and you have to find A20 also. So how will you do it? First, I will tell you, I told you in basics, if you have to find nth term, an, if you have to find nth term by giving this formula, sum of n terms, you know an is what? Sn minus Sn minus 1. An is what? Sum of n numbers minus sum of n minus 1 terms, or sum of n terms minus sum of n minus 1 terms. So you know Sn is what? 2n square plus 3n, 2n square plus 3n minus Sn minus 1 I will write. At the place of n I will substitute n minus 1. So 2 into n minus 1 whole square plus 3 into n minus 1. Is it clear? So you can see here 2n square plus 3n minus. Here it will be what? You can open this. 2n minus 1 whole square. So you can write n minus 1 common from here. N minus 1 is common. So here it is what left? 2n minus 1 is left plus 3. N minus 1 I am taking common from these two. So n minus 1 is common. So here 2, 1 n minus 1 is left plus 3. So you can write 2n square plus 3n minus. It is what? N minus 1. And here it will be what? 2n minus 2 plus 3. So we'll get 2n square plus 3n minus this n minus 1 I am writing outside. Minus and this is positive only full. So minus n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 plus 3, that is plus 1. So 2n plus 1. 2n square plus 3n minus n minus 1 into 2n plus 1. Now you can solve 2n square plus 3n minus. You can solve also inside only. Here you will get n into 2n, that is 2n square plus n into 1, that is plus n minus 1 into 2n minus 2n minus 1 into plus n minus 1. So you get 2n square plus 3n minus 2n square plus n minus 2n. So minus n minus 1. So you can see here 2n square plus 3n minus 2n square minus plus n minus plus 1. Here you know n minus 1 into 2n plus 1 you have to multiply. So first n I am multiplying with full 2n plus 1. Then minus 1 I am multiplying with 2n plus 1. This minus is outside only. And if I multiply with 2n, so I will get 2n square. N into plus 1, that is plus n. Minus 1 I will multiply with this 2n plus 1. So minus 1 into 2n minus 2n. Minus 1 into plus 1 minus 1. 2n square plus n minus 2n minus 1. So plus n minus 2n, that is minus n minus 1. 2n square is same. So now I will open this minus. So minus 2n square minus plus n minus plus 1. So you can see 2n square negative. Cancel. 3n plus 1n, that is what? 4n plus 1. You got 4n plus 1. So you know an is what? 4n plus 1. So easily you can find a1, a2, a3, a4. You know a1 is what? 4 into 1 plus 1, that is 4 with a 4 plus 1, 5. a2 will be what? 4 into 2 plus 1. So 8 plus 1, that is 9. Same a3 you can find. a3 will be what? 4 into 3, 12, 12 plus 1, 13. a4 will be what? 4 into 4, 16, 16 plus 1, 17. So first term is 5, second term is 9, third term is 13, fourth term is 17, and they are asking A20. A20 you can find. 4 into 20, 80, 80 plus 1, 81. So 20 term is 81. Like this we have to find. Now question number 12. Last question, question number 12. Question number 12. it's given first term of a sequence is 1, means it's given a1 is equal to 1, and the n plus 1 term, n plus 1 term means an plus 1, it's given, is obtained by adding n plus 1 to the nth term. N plus 1 to the, add n plus 1 to the nth term, means n plus 1th term is obtained by adding n plus 1 in nth term for all natural numbers, and all here are nth natural numbers. Find the 6th term of the sequence. You have to find 6th term of sequence. So first I will find first term of sequence. Find the 6th term of the sequence. So a 6 they are asking. They are asking a 6. So definitely here it is what? A6 they are asking. Means A6 term. So A6 will be what? A6. So first I have to write A1, you know. A2 will be what? A2 will be what? A1 plus 1 I can write is equal to what? A1 plus 1 plus 1. This at the place of n I am writing what? 1. So I will get what? A2. A2 will be what? A1. Here see. This at the place of n first I am substituting 1. So A1 plus 1. So I will get A2 means second term. So A1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. So A1 is what? 1 plus 1 is what? 2. So A2 you will get what? 3. A2 is 3. Same you can find A3. A3 how will you get A3? If I will put here 2. First I am writing 1. 1 I wrote here. So 1 plus 1 is equal to A1 plus 1 plus 1. So A1 you know this is 1 and 1 plus 1 is what? 2. So 1 plus 2 is what? 3. So A2 term you got. A2 is what? 3. So I am writing here A2 is equal to what? 3. A3 you can write. Same you can write A3 also. A3 how will you get? I will substitute here n 2. So A2 plus 1 is equal to what? A2 plus 2 plus 1. So A3 you will get A2 plus 3. A2 is what? 3. So 3 plus 3 is what? 6. So A3 is equal to 6. Like this you will find A4, A5, A6. So A4 will be what? A4 means A. This I have to substitute 3 now. So A3 plus 1 is equal to what? A3. Fourth term you have to find. So I will put N3. First we wrote n is equal to 1. Then substituted 2. Then 3. Now 3 I am substituting. So A3 plus 1 will be what? A3 plus 3 plus 1. So it will be what? A4 is equal to what? A3 is what? 6 plus 3 plus 1 is 4. So 10. A4 is equal to 10. Same A5 you can write. A5 how will you write? A5 means I have to substitute here 4. So A4 plus 1 is equal to what? A4 plus 4 plus 1. A5 I want. So here I have to substitute and 4. 4 plus 1. So A4 plus 4 plus 1. So A5 you will get. It will be what? A4. A4 is what? 10 plus 4 plus 1. That is 5. So 15. So you get A5 is equal to 15. Now they are asking 6th term. So same you have to write A6. So now I have to substitute n is equal to 5. So A5 plus 1 is equal to what? A5 plus 5 plus 1. So you can see A5, A6 will be what? A5 plus 1 is what? A6. And A6 is equal to A5 plus 6. And A5 you know that is 15. So 15 plus 6 is equal to 21. So 6th term of the sequence will be 21. This is the answer. Like this you have to find. Thank you.